The following is a paid program brought to you by the California University of Pennsylvania. Now it's time for Robot Rumble. Last weekend, 50 teams from 42 area high schools and technical schools entertained the crowds at California University of Pennsylvania with a maddening display of mechatronic madness. They competed for the coveted BotsIQ trophy. Robots with names like Bazinga, Sonic the Hedgehog, Gravedigger, Bocephus, and Warmonger, they battle it out in cages. So join us for the next 30 minutes as KDKA TV and the California University of Pennsylvania present BotsIQ, the Smart Sport. Hi, I'm John Klein, and tonight we have a treat for you. We're going to give you a taste of the Robot Rumble, held at Cal U last weekend. It was 2 days of diabolical destruction in the Southwestern Pennsylvania finals of BotsIQ, the Smart Sport. Now in its 8th year, high school-age students from high schools and technical schools have to design, create, and build fighting robots from scratch. These aren't kits you buy in the local hobby shop. The skills they need include computer-aided design, electronics, pneumatics, machining, and most of all, teamwork, because it takes a team to build a robot. Now let's take a look at our first bots battle when Bocephus from Albert Gallatin Senior Area High School rolled into the ring with the final mark from Hempfield Area High School. Here's Master of Ceremonies Chad McGreeth with the play-by-play.
2, 1, battle! Oh, they're sizing each other. Oh, wow! What a tremendous power punch from Bocephus right out of the gate. Straight at it, into demolition. I think we're in trouble here, folks. Final mark is proving me wrong. The final mark come back from the dead to fight more. Final mark dancing around now, looking really, really alive after we thought it was dead. Final mark, look at these two dancing around each other. Wow, this is almost a ballet in here. Oh, wow, and it flips it right on its back. Bocephus almost dancing in delight. What a powerful launch. Oh, it's just... And I got to tell you, folks, the fact that the final mark is still going here is impressive. All right, we'll separate them one more time. Bocephus, oh, more power out of Bocephus. I think we got a unanimous decision for Bocephus, and we do. Ladies and gentlemen, Albert Gallatin High School, and Bocephus moves on.
What a battle! Congratulations to Bocephus from Albert Gallatin. The rounds are 3 minutes long, but rarely last that long. These are double elimination tournaments, so the losing team gets another chance at climbing the ladder. A clear knockout produces a winner, but the winners can also be chosen by the judges, who consider technical design, movement, and strategy in a bout that needs to be judged. In between the bouts, teams go back to the pit area to rebuild, rework, or refine their bots for the next bout. Okay, let's get back to the mechatronic madness with bout number 2 featuring Electro from Punxsutawney versus Cosmic Al from Kiski Area High School.
2, 1, battle! Very different bots here. The Cosmic Al will get up and lift you, throw you on your back, and Electro will just do serious damage with those giant turrets on there. But it looks like the size of the Cosmic Owl is a nice advantage here because he can get up underneath of Electro and avoid those turrets. Oh, look at it. Just slides up underneath there very smoothly. Just trying to catch a piece of the Cosmic Owl. All right, looks like Electro's up off the ground. They're going to have to do a count. They have to separate and go back at it. The Cosmic Owl just comes right back after Electro, gets back up underneath it, and lifts it up off the ground where it can do no damage with those turrets. No damage can be done in that position. Separate again. Little pieces of stuff all over the inside of the ring. Oh, wow! It actually busted the side of the cage up right there. That's how powerful the turrets are in Electro. But that did no damage at all to the Cosmic Owl. Oh, now it's on its back. That'll be the death blow right there. Look at that. Oh, it still moves. Look at that. Electro's still moving on its back like that. That actually might be better position to do some damage if it can get at it. Oh, look at the flip! What a dynamic ending! The Cosmic Owl sends Electro into the wall, and Electro throws itself up into the air. Well done by the Cosmic Owl. No question about that one. Ladies and gentlemen, red is your winner. Kiski Area High School and the Cosmic Owl.
Another great battle. Congratulations, Cosmic Owl. You can see the sparks fly. As I mentioned at the head of the show, California University of Pennsylvania hosts BotsIQ. CalU is a statewide leader in the field of mechatronics, and President Geraldine Jones is proud to sponsor this exciting educational event.
We are extremely proud to host the Southwestern Pennsylvania BotsIQ Finals in our beautiful Convocation Center. The BotsIQ contest fits well with CalU's goal of providing high-quality academics and a hands-on applied education in more than 130 graduate and undergraduate programs. The BotsIQ contestants have worked for months to design and build robots for this gladiator-style competition. These battles will demonstrate their knowledge of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and teamwork. CalU is especially pleased to be hosting the BotsIQ contest as we prepare to launch a new Bachelor of Science degree in Mechatronics Engineering Technology. CalU is the only university in Pennsylvania to offer this four-year program. Mechatronic skills are in demand, and you'll see them in action at the BotsIQ competition.
Our thanks to Geraldine and CalU for giving local high schools the opportunity to compete in BotsIQ. It is the smart sport, and it definitely helps students become smarter so they're ready for higher education and careers here in local industry. When we come back, we'll have more rambunctious robots rumbling in the cages. We'll show you a local school's efforts to build a robot, and we'll talk to Ron Tamales. He's Pennsylvania's Secretary of Education about the value of BotsIQ program. That's all coming up when BotsIQ continues here on KDKA TV, presented by the California University of Pennsylvania.
This is part of the engagement of keeping kids interested in STEM careers, science, technology, engineering, and math. And by doing that in an exciting way, they stay excited about the learning.
Welcome back to the beautiful campus of California University of Pennsylvania as we present BotsIQ, the smart sport. I'm John Klein. So far, we've seen two great bot battles, and we've got plenty more coming up. Up next, we have two exciting robots, Gravedigger from Fayette County AVTS and Trollbot from South Fayette High School. Watch out for flying debris. Here's Chad McReith with the play-by-play.
2, 1, battle! Here they come, Trollbot, ready to make somebody miss. You can see it coming. Here it comes. Big dramatic move from the Gravedigger, just getting close with that turret. Gravedigger does, you can look at it. Just see it spinning. The size of that turret is a great thing about battle. The BattleBot takes it, spinning, twirling through the air, pounded into the corner, up against the wall. Gravedigger absolutely wrecking the Trollbot right now. Little pieces of the Trollbot all over the floor, flipped over on its back. We got a red light. Red taps out. Ladies and gentlemen, Gravedigger.
Congratulations to Gravedigger from Fayette County. We mentioned that BotsIQ is an educational endeavor featuring a need-based learning program where students must master CAD design, mechanics, pneumatics, electronics, machining, management, and teamwork too. It really is designed to let students have fun while developing the professionalism they will need to succeed in post-secondary education and careers in science and technology, engineering, and math, sometimes referred to as STEM careers. Now, let's take a look at the books each team had to create to document their year-long journey into the competition.
They are required to do these. In fact, at the finals competition, they're required to actually have their binder here and have it reviewed by a team of volunteers. Typically, 7 to 14 volunteers will help to review these for the finals competition. In this case here, you could see that there's sections here on structural analysis, an engineering drawing set, the type of materials that they're choosing to use, what their manufacturing plans are, how will they assemble the model, how will they, what about their weapon system. These robots are of the BattleBots variety, therefore they have weapon systems on them when they compete in the arena. Here's a drawing set here. This happens to be a complete set of drawings, including usually what they'll do, they will actually not only show all the parts, but they'll also show the assemblies. Here are the assembly models in this section here. This specifically describes the assembly. So you could tell that quite a bit of effort goes into these.
Wow, as you can see, it's a lot more than destruction in the cage. These guys and girls learn a lot over the course of the year it takes to design, build, and deploy these robots. Let's go out to the Western Area Career and Technology Center and meet some of the instructors who help these students master the valuable skills they need to compete in BotsIQ, in college and in the high-tech advanced manufacturing and energy industries.
Western Area Career and Technology Center in Washington County is fielding one of the teams competing in the 2013 BotsIQ program. Tim Angert is the mechatronics instructor.
Mechatronics is the combination of computer systems, mechanical systems, pneumatic systems, and electrical systems.
The students team up to design and build robots for the BotsIQ competition so they can destroy their opponents' robots.
Why do we build something we're going to destroy? Okay, it's a very good question. First off, it's fun. It gets people involved.
Enrollment is up in our machining program. We have a natural partnership with Mr. Engert's mechatronics program. They're involved. You know what? It's equivalent to being a world-class high school football team in our world.
The whole entire program was developed in cooperation with businesses and local industry, who they came to us a long time ago and said, hey, we really need this type of person. We need somebody that has this set of skills.
They actually learn how to use design software, in particular Mastercam, which is an industry leader. They claim to have 50% of the market, so that's a lot of possible jobs.
There's an unbelievable need for machinists right now. We have students who are, and this is no joke, they're leaving here having 4 or 5 offers.
If a person graduates out of this class and goes to apply for a job, the employer will get a realistic evaluation of their abilities. I have 3 jobs for every person I graduate out of this class, minimum. Last year I actually had a young man walked out of here with 5 offers in hand.
They get to say, hey, look, I made that part, and that's really important for them. I think BotsIQ is a fantastic program.
Thanks to the Western Area Career and Technology Center for letting us take a peek behind the curtains of their BotsIQ development. Now, of course, WACTC is going to be excited about their own programs, but what about industry? Are business leaders here in Western Pennsylvania as excited about the BotsIQ program? Let's find out. Here's Jeff Kelly, CEO and owner of Hamill Manufacturing, with a comment about the value of the programs like this.
We call this a stealth learning opportunity. You know, they're learning things about project management, design, assembly, welding, machining, all these things that they're being exposed to through the milieu of a bot, and it's a great opportunity for them to learn. I call it stealth learning, and what I'm hoping here is that we'll have future manufacturers, engineers, machinists, welders. Oh boy, this sounds like some great stuff back there. This will all come together, and these kids will have a path to a future that will really be great for them and great for us in manufacturing.
Thanks, Jeff. The BotsIQ program is helping local industry by supplying highly trained individuals and helping the students by giving them valuable skills needed to continue their education and to succeed in an ever more sophisticated workforce. When we come back, we'll have more mechatronic madness, and we'll see what the Pennsylvania Secretary of Education has to say about BotsIQ and the efforts here at California University of Pennsylvania. That's all on tap when BotsIQ continues here on KDKA TV. Welcome back to the California University of Pennsylvania and BotsIQ. I'm John Klein. It's time for some more bashing bots as we take you back into the cage to watch Warmonger, this time from Punxsutawney High School, take on Sonic the Wedgehog from Greater Latrobe High School. And remember, there's strategy in BotsIQ, but the rope-a-dope rarely pays off. You need total control, an offensive-minded robot, and an aggressive streak to beat the other bots. So let's turn it over to Chad McReath once again for the play-by-play. Chad?
Battle! There's something we haven't seen, coming right in and getting underneath Warmonger like that. Warmonger now forced in the corner with its turret turned the wrong way. He can't do any damage from that angle. That's an interesting little move. We haven't seen that from anybody today, being able to pull that off against Warmonger. The quickness is really, really paying off for Sonic the Hedgehog. We haven't seen that. Oh, wow. All that can happen right there is Warmonger's doing damage to the wall because Sonic the Hedgehog is getting in there and pinning him. Oh, there it is! There it is! That's what happens when you run into the tail of Warmonger. What violence is going on here? I'll tell you, who's it going to be? Oh, Sonic the Hedgehog flying through the air like a bird. Boom! There it goes again. Nobody does damage like Warmonger. Warmonger grinding into the opponent now, welding it down into a ball. Boom! And a dead flip. It is a tap out for your winner one more time. Warmonger from Punxsutawney High.
Congratulations. Hey, this is so much fun here at BotsIQ. It's easy to forget that this really is an educational program. And it's so successful that it's getting attention from all over the state and the nation. While we were here at CalU, we ran across the Pennsylvania Secretary of Education, Ron Tamales.
I came all the way from Harrisburg just to see this great competition. You know, we have a lot of things that are exciting in education in Pennsylvania, but to see the competition, to see the students put their heart and soul into making these robots, and all the academic skills that they learned during the process, it's great. So I had to come see it firsthand. They're not just making a robot, they're actually learning how their team skills. They're actually learning how to solve a problem together. So they're learning the academic side of it too, but they're actually gaining skills that they're going to keep for the rest of your life. But they're doing it in a very exciting venue. These competitions are great at doing it, and I would highly recommend it across the state.
Thanks, Secretary Tamales. I think you might see BotsIQ startups in other areas real soon. It's an excellent way to help students prepare for their future. Now it's time for the championship battle. Let's take a look at a bot named Bazinga that features 2 young ladies and 2 men from Clairton High School who went undefeated on Friday. Now, in the final match of the weekend, Bazinga takes on the challenger from East Westmoreland CTC, Pandemonium. Remember, this is for the championship. Pandemonium versus the undefeated Bazinga. Chad, call the battle for us.
Battle! Bazinga comes out, and just like yesterday, starts doing massive damage almost instantaneously to Pandemonium. It doesn't look good from the early going on. Bazinga backs away, and right back into it, and knocks Pandemonium up into the sky. But Pandemonium won't be stopped. It's on its back. It's floating around. Knockout blow after knockout blow. Sparks, fire. Pandemonium up against the wall. Could it be? Might it be? Could it be the end? It's over. It's over. We have a champion from Clairton High School.
Congratulations to Bazinga from Clairton High School, the undefeated and unqualified 2013 BotsIQ champion. We mentioned already that BotsIQ and mechatronics help prepare students for great careers. Well, this fall, CalU is starting Pennsylvania's first 4-year degree program in mechatronic engineering technology. Here's Dr. John Callis to tell us a little about mechatronics and the program here at California University of Pennsylvania.
We are the first in the state to have a mechatronics engineering technology program. First in the state and first in the POSSE system. You have mechanical, electromechanical, you have computer programming, you have automated control systems, digital electronics, AC, DC, power systems, you have instrumentation. It ties everything together. We're looking at averaging around 800 jobs a year up to 2020.
Thanks, John. If you'd like to know more about CalU's mechatronics program, log on to calu.edu. When we come back, we'll show you the winners from the 2013 BotsIQ competition. It's the Smart Sport, and it's hosted by CalU. Welcome back to the beautiful Convocation Center here on the campus of California University of Pennsylvania. For BotsIQ, the Smart Sport, I'm John Klein, and now we'll have the winners for this year's BotsIQ competition. I'll turn it over to Chad McGreeth.
And now here we are with one final trophy on the table. It is the BotsIQ Grand Champion Trophy. It goes out to not only the team that showed the best spirit, organization, engineering, working together, sportsmanship, but all of those things and more. We wanted to see a shining example of the best of the best. And it just so happens that this year it's also the team that took the first place trophy home. Ladies and gentlemen, Clairton High School with Bazinga, they have won the Grand Championship Trophy, the $1,000 that comes with it. They get to keep the trophy all year. The plaque goes on the wall. You get the gold medal trophies. You get it all. You've won it all. Ladies and gentlemen, Clairton High School.
Congratulations to all the winners and to all of the participants in this year's BotsIQ program. We had a lot of fun and we opened a lot of eyes with this exciting program. And thanks to the California University of Pennsylvania for hosting us this year. We hope to see you again for the 2014 BotsIQ program as it enters its 9th exciting season. Good night, everybody, and we'll leave you with another taste of BotsIQ Mechatronic Madness.
One, battle! Oh, people just flipping all over the place. There's pieces hitting the roof. That can't be good. Who's in there? Oh, it's hard to see. It's hard to tell who's on top of whom. I can hear the carnage. Somebody's on their back. Somebody's flying through the air. It's a free-for-all. It's a rumble. Who's going to win? I don't think this is about strategy. I don't think this is about defense. This is all about destruction from any individual move. Somebody's in the air. Somebody's bouncing off the ground. Pieces are all over the place. Who's this going to be? It's a rumble.
The preceding has been a paid program sponsored by the California University of Pennsylvania.